Okay, welcome back to the channel. We're at Wanneroo Raceway. I'm here to do some bike setup work and check if this head gasket repair has actually done its job. So that was the first session done. Sorry. That was the first session done. It was cold, my bike's cold, I'm cold, the track's cold, everything's cold. I'm not going to read into it too much. It's just good to get out there, warm up, have a bit of fun. We'll start playing around with body positioning after I've done the next session. Hopefully I'm a bit warmer and I can get a better feel for the bike. And the track's a bit warmer, so everything handles and reacts the way that I expect it to react. So next session, let's see how we go. So I've just done the second session, came in, we've got a bit of cold tearing on the rear tyre, so we're bumping up the pressure by a couple of PSI. I've also gone and adjusted the handlebars further forward. Hopefully it brings me a bit further forward on the tank and gets me a little bit more pressure on the front tyre. That's the plan. Let's see how session 3 goes. degree track temperature. I've just come in from my third session. The moving of the handlebars has been great. It's pulled my weight a lot further forward. I opened up my arms, so I feel way more comfortable. But we've still got the tearing issue on the rear tyre. So it's probably got a lot to do with the temperature of the track that I mentioned before. We're gonna now try giving a bit of rebound in the rear shock to stop it pumping.
16 degrees.
16 degrees. Thanks, Colin. So we're gonna give it a few clicks of rebound, see if that stops the pumping on the rear. Hopefully it helps tidy up the tire pressure. It's coming in the same temperature as it went out, so we think that's pretty good. So let's try this and give you an idea of how it works after session 4. Say it again.
So what we're looking, yeah, exactly. It's the same tyre. See the comet tail's moving forward here. So that looks to me like obviously it's cold tearing, so we're not generating enough heat.
Yeah.
Which would tell me that to get that sort of, to try and limit that, I would increase the rebound. Yep. From the rear shock, probably by 2 or 3 clicks, just enough to stop that pumping a little bit.
Okay.
The tyre's still quite warm with the warmer on it.
Okay, we've been discussing this more, as it always happens while we're trying to troubleshoot a problem. We're actually going to go the other way. We're not going to touch the shock for now. We're going to go take these tyres down to 19 PSI, which is what I used to run them when I was going fast. Probably about 3 or 4 seconds a lap quicker than I'm going now. If we can get rid of this problem, there's every chance that I will pick up a lot of time. So we'll see what happens. So 5 sessions down. Looks like we're kind of on top of the tyre problem. See, it's cleaned up a bit. We had an extra couple of clicks of rebound. And definitely a lot better. However, that's definitely at its maximum wear, so we're calling it a day. The other thing that happened in that session, we have an oil leak. So, looks like might be rock and cover gasket. And get it back home, get into it, find out where it is, and get it fixed and ready for next time. That's it for today. Thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe. Keep it rubber side down, and we'll see you in the next video.